Excuse my hand. I was licking Shrek's cum off of my. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a requested because it's the time of the season. Aquarian 11 and all the other signs obviously too because it's Valentine's Day and this is the Valentine's Day makeup look. I don't think I've ever actually done a Valentine's makeup look video. I've done Valentine's inspired looks in the past. I don't like this holiday. I think it's kind of stupid. Even if though I have a significant other to celebrate it with, I still think it's stupid. That's just my opinion. But you know, it's trending, so I just did it. And I was thinking like, what do I want to do a makeup look that people would typically wear? Or do I want to teach people how to do a Valentine's makeup look? I think if I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, I'm just gonna put on what I would wear to Valentine's Day, which is this. It's just pink in your face, but at the same time, very soft and beautiful skin. We have a little design here. There. I actually didn't show what I did in the video. I like drew them on and then like stamped pink eyeshadow and then like outlined them and just did that until I liked the way it looked. So it looks like it's like almost like tattooed or airbrushed on and not just like drawn on my face. A little stencil. I look absolutely beautiful. I did my hair for this video. Like I actually blow dried it and I like straightened the ends. I think that's the most I've ever done to my hair. So yeah, this is the makeup look we're doing today. I have the entire tutorial filmed this time from start to finish. I did not film how I did the brows because this is a tutorial in of itself. I will do a tutorial on how I get various colored brows because there's a whole set of techniques I have for doing that. I can do that in a separate video. But I just did the brows off camera, then the face and the lips, and then we're done. And then you're gonna like and subscribe to my video, right? Okay, thanks, love you, bye.